Welcome back to another OTD unboxing video. Today I have for you the Hot Wheels 2026. Yes, first case of 2026 pop culture. That is the end case. So we got another pop culture mix. We just looked at the M case the other day. Make sure you subscribe to the OTD YouTube channel and so you're notified when these new case unboxings drop. All right, thanks again to One Stop Diecast. Thank you, One Stop Diecast, for sending this case over. Make sure you go to onestopdiecast.com if you're still looking for it. I'm not sure if One Stop's got any cases left, but if you're looking for the items in this case, that might be your best bet. All right, we're going to get the big old elephant in the room, or in this case, dinosaur, out of the room. We're going to get that one out of here right off the bat because it is the Reptar Wagon from Rugrats. We've seen this one like 800 times before, and we'll probably see it 800 times more, but it is the Reptar Wagon. Very cool. It was cool, the first couple times it came out, but we're unfortunately on, mixed. Yeah, we've seen enough because there's so many cool things in this case. Let's go. We're gonna go through the repeats really quick. We've seen the Matrix 64 Lincoln Continental. It didn't last long on the peg, so it's good to see this one reappear. It actually is a very good and worthy of a repeat. The Matrix 64 Lincoln Continental. So if you haven't picked this one up, make sure you do. It is a very nice rendition of this casting, and I mean, you wouldn't even know it's a movie car if you took it out of the package. Pretty cool, all black trim and detailing on that one. All right, that is that. The other one out of this case that we've seen before, well, at least I'm pretty sure. I can't remember if we've seen this one I know we've at least seen it in a set before. It is the premium version of the Batman, the animated series Batmobile. Very cool. I loved watching the animated series back in the day. This is a very cool Batmobile from it, and got some nice detail on the back as well. The lights, the rockets, and everything on the back. The turbine engine, but very cool. It is another Batmobile. The last two are what I'm most excited for in this case, though. These are the ones that are flying off the pegs. This case is appearing at retail. If you've had trouble finding it, well, these versions, I know why. Because, yeah, we're getting the Godzilla deco on the Nissan Skyline GT-R BNR 34. Obviously, the R34 pretty much at the height of its popularity, and always just a good casting to release. We're getting the Godzilla deco on this one, and in premium, which is really nice because, yeah, full deco. We got the Nismo branding on the front too. That's kind of crazy with the Godzilla cross pollination between Nismo and Godzilla, but very cool deco. And the back is like a very nice metallic red. It's almost like Spectra Flame level, but I think it's actually a metal flake red, and just, yeah, a good mask on the front with the beige, good coloring. Godzilla is looking fierce on Godzilla. It's Godzilla on Godzilla here. Just another great R34 to be in the collection. You're going to see an art car. That's the way you want to see it. And the last car out of the case is the new model in the case. It is the 1983 BMW 733i from Stranger Things. Yes. Yep. Currently waiting the last episode of Stranger Things to drop on New Year's. And yeah, this is Steve's BMW 733i. Probably one of the, I don't know how many other cars you can really do from this series. The BMW and probably Hopper's Blazer, but that's about it. But this is a cool tie-in to Stranger Things that's on Netflix in the last season now. And just a very cool BMW. I think, yeah, I don't know if you really can get much better than that. I mean, just if you're a fan of classic BMWs, this is a very nice casting. Very well put together. It just looks great. The bumpers, the red paint, the tan interior. Yeah. So, great tie-in. You get pop culture tie-in here, but you also just get a really nice looking BMW casting. As always, thank you for watching. Appreciate you tuning into the OTD YouTube channel and OrangeStrikeDiecast.com. Thanks again to the sponsor, One Stop Diecast. Make sure you check out all the other case unboxing videos coming up soon. Make sure you like and subscribe, and you will be notified when new ones drop.